they shoot it, that would be cool.
Ready? More safety. Okay. What are you doing? You go middle or what? Ready?
Style this.
You going middle?
I'll go middle, yeah.
Only thing with that is if you accidentally bump it loose. Ready!
Yeah. Holy fuck. My fucking mask sucks. Huh? What? Shit. My mask sucks. $100 worth of shit. What the fuck? Nah, bruh. Hit! My gun's fucked up. It's just not shooting, bro.
Hold the mag. You gotta hold the mag.
Man, all our guns fucking up today. I got a JB weld mine. You don't have enough ammo.
I got ammo at the over there.
See?
Now it fucking hits.
Because you got no ammo, it's not pushing the BB.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, you got no ammo.
My fucking gun empties so fast.
See? Okay, let's go get more ammo. He's fucking nubbing me. Light up Tyson.
You know what? This guy has good accuracy.
Shoot again? Let's see. I like that nozzle.
Yeah.
It's shooting fire.
Hey, it's okay if he's on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bro, I go live on fucking TikTok every night, man.
Yeah, nice.
The highest I made was 15K, man.
Awesome, dude. That's,
Just off fucking gifts.
yeah.
Whew.
Yeah, I just don't have, you don't have enough,
Oh, boy.
ammo in there. It's not pushing the BB.
My Meg, I got a bigger, gotta get a bigger one.
Yeah.
Load it until it's full, man.
This guy's so good at this.
We'll start on top this time. Don't waste your ammo.
He loves wasting ammo. My Meg is too small, man.
He didn't have enough ammo on his mag, so it's not feeding.
I filled the fuck out of it too.
No.
Whoa. All of us.
Fucking just blew my leg off. Ooh. Fucking hit me in the knee like 8 times.
Ah, was he on full auto?
Yeah, he was like.
Jesus Christ.
I heard you guys, but I was like, I went up. I didn't
That's
see you.
too baby.
That's loud as
So
fuck,
I
man.
fucking was like, oh, it must be a fall.
Yeah.
And so I moved up, and then you were right. Like, I was fucked. I really all I could see.
Let me try my keys now, man.
Oh, fuck. I want to see my knee.
How the fuck do you take this thing off now?
Your piece? Mine comes off mine, but it's easier than that.
Trying to take my goggles off, man. They're just fogging up like crazy.
Well, you need goggles, though.
Where's your
You need eye protection.
Yeah, eye protection.
You have eye protection, though?
No, I didn't bring that, man. I thought this was gonna be so good, man.
Well, you're gonna be, you have to wear eye protection. Are you just gonna wear the goggles only?
Yeah, I'm gonna wear it. Yeah.
Let's see the clip. You gotta pinch those. And it kind of angles. You gotta pinch it, and then you might have to pinch it with both fingers, bitch.
I just want to run home, grab the other gun.
Yeah.
It's hard with the pistol, man.
You guys did pretty good.
Yeah, Melvin did, not me.
Fuck, you hit me all in it. That's crazy. You hit me all in the knee. It's like, I don't know why you're so low, but I'm fucking hurt. Just stung. I can't wait till I go home and check it. There's probably like 8 whelps all around my knee. Look at all right there, man. It was like, dude.
That's all you wear?
Oh, I have long johns, rain pants, and the knees. But it
those are thin.
Yeah, it's thin. It hurt. It felt like I was wearing nothing.
Yeah. This one too. That's all he's wearing.
Fucker, he knew that. He aimed right for the leg. I wonder why you're making it work. It's still not working?
Well, it's working now. I just guess I didn't have enough fucking ammo, man.
Or just didn't crank it?
You see how I was cranking it?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's getting tight though.
No, I'm gonna use this one too.
Yeah, it's not shooting, dude. I think it's empty though. Almost. Yeah, it's not shooting.
No, you gotta put lots of BB, like full tank.
Yeah, mine was where I couldn't push it in anymore.
No, it's empty. It's empty, dude.
Oh, you're loading it the other way.
Well, I wasn't loading it the other. That was for extra.
Did you pour that in?
Yeah.
How come it's
Fuck,
empty?
how'd you run out?
Yeah.
How much did you shoot that much?
Oh, does it go in here?
Yeah, you pour it in there and fill it
A
up.
lot in there, yeah.
Really?
Hold your hand like this.
Is that where you put it?
Yes.
Oh, fuck. I was loading
You
it
had
in
one
there.
mat, you probably only had like 30 rounds in here.
Yeah.
'Cause that spring only holds like 30 or maybe a little more.
yeah.
Fuck, now I'm not pushing it out my
Yeah, all you do is pour it in, then you crank it. That's what that crank's for.
Yeah, you can.
That's why it was so loose to crank, because there's nothing, it wasn't pushing nothing.
How the fuck?
Really complicated, bro. Now you have to like undo the dog. I don't even know if it's
Yeah.
that off. And then
You can't
fuck,
undo
you'd
it.
have to untie them, bro. That sucks.
Fuck, this
You have
shit
an extra
sucks ass,
goggles?
man.
What happened?
Well, since they're fogging
I
up.
was running, I like, lift it up,
Yeah.
wipe it, and then these things are fucking...
Oh, yeah, look.
I'll sell you my double layer.
That's how it's supposed to sound. Now you were empty. I'm gonna use this one too.
Fucking don't even know I'm hit.
Bang bang.
Fuck, I'm worried now. If I get shot in the dick with these on, I'm just gonna hurt.
Why are you wearing that?
Well, because I don't want to overheat.
I'm overheating right now.
That's why I'm wearing just long johns, rain pants, and these. Because one, I don't gonna get wet. That's cool.
Fuck. One of you guys shot me right here. Didn't even fucking feel it. I just heard it. I was like, hit?
Was you gonna feel it in that?
Which is good, man. Buy leather pants next.
I left my other tread. Because I have a tread. So you throw it in here and then you tread this in.
Yeah, like a converter. Okay, well, let's what the fuck happened to your pants?
Holy fuck.
That looks cool. Makes it louder, I think.
Yeah, I
When
did
you put
too.
that on there. It's supposed to suppress it.
Ow.
Fuck, my gun's so beat
Oh,
up from this
close
hole.
off.
This is all from that holster.
Holy fuck.
Just scratched to shit. Fucking suck.
I like it with the AEG because look how long the thing goes long. And that's setting versus the normal BB.
Watch your baby.
Hopefully this
Now
works
crank
better.
it about 10 times.
Yeah.
You'll feel it get stiff. Like it should get a little hard, like to spin.
That's what she said. Bro.
It should get hard, but it doesn't. What the fuck's wrong with you?
A couple more games, yeah?
Yeah.
Gotta make it to the store.